In this question, you're told that potassium chlorate will decompose to form both oxygen and potassium chloride. Starting with 0.719 moles of potassium chlorate, how many moles of oxygen gas should be produced? Here are the 8 steps you need to follow. First, determine if it is an if-then or a stoichiometry problem. And yes, it is an if-then problem. If you have 0.718 moles of potassium chlorate, then how many moles of O2 should be produced? Make sure the equation is balanced. Here are the chemicals involved, and when you balance it, it looks like this. Now determine the if and the then chemicals. We did that in step 1. We know that the potassium chlorate is the if, the oxygen is the then. If needed, calculate the moles of the if chemical. Here we're given the moles, so we don't need to do this step. Now set up the then-if ratios. I do recommend that you put then in the numerator, and you get then over if equals 3 oxygens over 2 potassium chlorates equals X over 0.718 potassium chlorates. Now you're going to solve for the unknown variable, or the X. So rearrange the equation, do the math, and in this instance, X equals 1.077 moles of molecular oxygen. Are any other calculations needed? The answer here is no, as the question asks for moles of oxygen. Give the answer. 1.718 moles of potassium chlorate decomposed to potassium chloride and oxygen. 1.077 moles of oxygen should be produced.